Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to share a project with you that I created using digitals from KB and Friends on Etsy. That's Catherine's shop, and I will link her down below if you're not familiar with her shop. She does a lot of this retro vintage style cute stuff, and I just love her digitals. Anyway, she came out with 2 new kits, and I was so excited I couldn't hardly contain myself. And I was just getting ready to reach out to her and say, Catherine, have you ever considered adding paper to your digital kits? And oh my gosh, these 2 new kits have digital papers. Yay! Thank you, Catherine. I was so shocked. I was like, oh my gosh, I was just going to ask her that. So the 2 collections that I used and that are brand new to her shop are Retro Style Valentine Hour Story and Retro Style Be Mine Valentine box, envelope, and I think candy wrappers. And I'll link them both down below for you in case you're interested. So these images are there, and these are some scraps of paper I have left over from my project. But I just wanted you to kind of see some of the papers that she included in the digital kits. I don't know which is from which collection because I kind of mixed them up already. But just so you can get an idea of the papers, how cute they are. So cute. I really had fun playing with this, and I love this paper right here. Didn't use a lot of it, but I do love it, and I will use it in future projects. So anyhow, let me show you what I created. I created what I believe we'll call it a folio for lack of any other words. I used her images for it. I have a dangle on the side. I did stitching. It was just a lot of fun to play with. I kind of just sat down and took my time and wasn't in a hurry to finish it. And I thought, well, I'll get to it, sooner or later. But anyhow, this dangle I learned from Septeria 18, I believe is her number. And she shows how to make these string dangles. And I did mine a little differently than the way she showed, but the concept was hers. But it just looks so cute. It's something different than the ones that are all beaded and all that stuff, and it's so easy to do. So anyhow, that's that. Now back to this. These are all images you'll see from the digital collections that I mentioned, and they look so cute. I raised them up on foam to give them dimension, added the little tickets and these little flags, tied it with this vintagey looking yarn. And when we open this up, we have this spread right here, and it looks so fun and playful and colorful. This is the back of the flag that was in the digital kit. I have these little wood sticks, and I just painted one and glued it to the back so the flags wouldn't bend. They'd be more sturdy. I have some tags here that I have brads on. This are also included in the kits. And all of this stuff, every little bit that's in here was included in the kit. I used a Tim Holtz slotted pocket that I stitched and added here so I could have those pieces of ephemera. And this one I backed with red cardstock and raised it up on foam dots just to give it some depth. Over here I used the one kit to create a tiny little shaker, and some of the pieces of ephemera are in there as part of the shaker bits. These are from Hobby Lobby. Again, I did stitching and sticker here. This then opens up. I have some little Velcro closures. And then on this side we have a pocket with some of the cut aparts from the collection. Really cute. This is just a die in my stash. Here's another piece of ephemera from the kit, and I'm only going to show you here, but all these things that are on the pages are able to tuck behind in case I want to put photos or whatever. This is from a die from my stash, and I just think it looks so adorable there. That's a sticker. This is another die from my stash, again, being able to tuck behind it. I added some vellum that I sewed on as well. Here's one of the elements with one of those sticks, and again I did paint the stick on the back so that it would keep this sturdy. I won't try to get that in there at the moment. Here's another page. I left this blank with just a little die cut, and then here's that really cute paper, and behind here, oops, let me see. Behind here I just left it as a little tuck spot for a tag to put right behind her. Thought that was pretty cute. And in the middle here I have the baker's twine, and I have these little charms that I got here. Super cute. And then again, we'll keep turning. I was going to show this on Instagram, but it's so hard to do this by yourself. This is from a stamp set from Kelly Bangs that I got, and Here again is some the other piece of vellum. These are from the ephemera pieces, as are those. There's that piece again. Here I used some paper as a side pocket, and these are little bits from the ephemera kit. This is just a felt heart I had, and camera kind of, what do you call it, paper clip. And then here I used the tickets in the collection to make a little tuck spot for all the remaining goodies. Again, that's on a stick on the back just to keep it solid and firm. And it does show out of the top if I leave it up enough. And yeah, all these little ephemera bits. So then when this is done, then you close that, and that's the back. And I decided I didn't want the book to go all the way down because I wanted to include this pocket. I just used one of the ephemera bits backed on red cardstock. And then I have the bingo cards that were part of the kit. I have a little pipe cleaner heart that I put in there, and this little pencil I got last year at Dollar Tree, I think. I just stuck it in there just to make it cute with some of the ephemera and some bling. And that's the end of it. I think it just came out so cute. It was such, it was so fun to play with. And again, please go visit Catherine and be sure to grab your kits. You won't be disappointed. They're awesome. It's so much fun to play with. And like I said, digitals are great because you can print them over and over and over and over again. So until next time, thank you for watching, and do what makes you happy. Bye for now.